That is.
Better be for the.
I know that's a classic sound.
Guys, like and subscribe.
A train's now arriving.
Yeah.
All the way down there, I hear the crossing going off.
Oh, I see it.
Yep, here comes the locomotive. VUA F40PH. I think it's an F40.
Training.
Yep, it is.
I've never been so excited about a train in my life.
It's one of them things there.
I've never been so excited about a train in my life.
It's really where the board's not going off. You can't board.
Montreal.
Yeah, you know what to board. The trains don't know what to board. Their horns are in here, so it's probably spawning when it's going off.
We going to Montreal, boys.
Yeah. I don't think its bell's still gonna be going off. I'll tell you that for sure.
I don't say cam fam anymore. I don't say subscribe to join the cam fam anymore.
How about hashtag VOL F40PH going to Montreal?
Put that in the comments.
Yep, here she comes. These things are rated for about 3,000 to 4,000 horsepower. I can already see some of the old Bud. I already see some of the old Bud cars from the 50s on here. Hey, I can't look at this. And he just turned off his ditch lights for some reason. Okay, looks like we got number 611 reading now.
If we knew how to edit the thumbnails, we would be so viral, right, Carson?
Here we got number 611 reading.
Seriously though, we gotta figure out how to edit the thumbnails.
And number 6 is 24 square ring. And here are the old Bud cars, but we're not in these things today, like the old Chateau Sweeper there from the 50s. We're in those green cars back there, the Renaissance cars, which we're originally supposed to be using here, but yeah, basically the same cars as those most. So yeah, see you back up the trade camp, fam, but yeah. Thing is coming to a stop.
I'm moving my head side to side.
76 inch. But anyways, yeah, there's a trade. See you, camping.